Okay, so a lot of people have been asking me lately, Jerry, with all this AI stuff taking over, what skills do I actually need to keep my job? And honestly, there are three big ones that I think are absolutely pivotal right now. Number one, and this is the big one, you have to sharpen your critical thinking, specifically source evaluation. I mean, you have to treat these AI model outputs as first drafts, all right? Not facts. When an AI gives you a statistic or a quote, you have to pause, verify it, check the original studies, look at the relevant and verified databases, etc. Don't just take AI's word for it. I tell my team to ask the model for citations and then actually open the links. You'd be surprised how often it hallucinates or gives you incorrect info. So make it a habit. Spend maybe 10, 15 minutes a day just verifying a claim the model made. Keep a little mental checklist. Check the author, check the date. Run what I call adversarial tests. Ask the same question in different ways just to see if the model trips up. Because if you don't catch the mistakes, you're going to look bad when you present it. Trust me, I've done that before. Number two is mastering creative problem framing. See, the competitive edge today isn't about regurgitating facts anymore. The AI can do that. The edge is defining the right problems. You have to guide the AI towards something valuable. Otherwise, you just get generic, average answers. I like to use systems thinking here. Try things like SCAMPER, substitute, combine, adapt, to reframe the challenge. Or use analogical thinking, like can we apply restaurant operation metrics to our software team? And you need deep domain expertise. This is where topical expertise is paramount, where the average user using a generic LLM can't compete, because the user needs to be the one who spots the subtle errors in the output that the AI misses. Try doing weekly constraint sprints. Tell the AI, solve this problem, but you only have $500 and 2 days. See what it comes up with. Because being able to judge the solution, that's on you. Last but not least, hone human-centered communication, persuasion, and teaching. Because relationships and trust still anchor work that scales with AI. Practice turning complex AI outputs into clear narratives. Start with the why, problem, then what, proposed solution, and how, next steps. And rehearse concise formats like a 30-second elevator pitch or one-page memo. Use roleplay. Have the model simulate a skeptical stakeholder to practice negotiation or difficult feedback. And record real conversations to refine tone and clarity. Maintain these skills by teaching others. Run a monthly micro workshop where you explain a concept and field questions, and use feedback to iterate. Together, these three practices, verification, creative framing, and human-centered communication, make you not just a consumer of AI, but a resilient, valuable collaborator who can steer powerful tools safely and creatively. For more practical AI tips and strategies, visit thrustiq.com.